The first question is the concept of Anuvrata was advocated by Jainism. Bronze icons of Nadaraja cast during the Chola period invariably show the deity with four hands. The term Yavana Priya mentioned in the ancient Sanskrit texts denoted pepper. The river most mentioned in the early Vedic literature is Sindhu. Who among the following is known for his work on medicine during Gupta period? Shushruta. In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? Kosa. Which one of the following is not a part of early Jain's literature? Terigata. Which one of the following temples figured in the news regarding the institutions of Devadasi? Jagannath Temple, which is located in Puri. Silver coins issued by Gupta were dinaras. Varaha Mihira, Brahat Samhata, Vishagadatta, Devi Chandraguptam, Shudraka, Mrichakatikam, Bilhana, Prabandha Chintamani. Next question. Vikrama era 58 BC, Saka era 78 AD, Gupta era 320 AD, Kali era